Hello, Mario! Feeling pretty excited as this is the last video in the, hopefully, in the road formation. So, Subdivision Design 40 Cul de Sac. And in this video, we're going to look at doing the curb return for the whole cul de sac. I've done a trial on it, and I'm pretty confident that it's going to go off first time, but you know, I've been wrong about that before. But feeling pretty accomplished that I've managed to get this sorted now, and yeah, let's get stuck in and have a look at the big picture, see if we can achieve a significant milestone with this little project. So here it is. These are the curb returns that have been loaded out of the AutoCAD drawing. I'm going to just turn off the road 3 sections just there, leave the strings on, so that'll just get rid of those. That just clears things up a little bit for us, so we can get a pretty good view. And there's our cul-de-sac front and center. So the first thing I want to do is just check these strings. Now you drive around the cul-de-sac this way, like so. And interestingly, according to the Ministry of Transport, as you are turning around in the cul-de-sac, you should indicate your change of direction. Something I certainly didn't know. Something I've never done, and who knows whether I ever will. All right, so let's get in strings, inquire, pick. And there we go on that one there. Oops, let's just get back. Oh, okay, minus 14.8. So that there is definitely, you're driving around there in an anti-clockwise direction. Negative is fine. This string here is negative 9.7. No, because that is going in a clockwise direction. Well, so what we do there is strings edit, reverse, start, select, accept. Now, hopefully that's finished with. We can push F2 to get the inquire, like so, pick. And now we've got that as 9.7, that's all positive. And then this one here, again, anti-clockwise, negative 14.8. So that's the 3 strings. Now what we need to do is to join them in all together to make one a string, so that then we can convert them to one super alignment. Okay, alrighty, so strings edit, join, and I'm just going to do them one at a time. And we'll call this one KRET 5. Don't know why we need to do that, but we're going to do that anyway. Start, and we're going to pick and accept that string there. Pick and accept that string there. Okay, let's just see if we've achieved that. F2 pick. Yes, there's that string all there, and radius 9.7, negative 14.8, 9.7. Okay, and right, finish. I don't really know how that radius ended up at 9.7. I suspect it should have been 10, but that won't matter. Start, pick and accept, and pick and accept. Okay, and let's just F2 that to inquire about that string, like so. And there we go. Awesome. Okay, finish. All right, so now we've got the string. We've got to convert that to a super alignment. Super. Strings convert. And new name, KRET 5. Pick and accept and super alignment. Okay, so this is all going according to plan. All right, KRET 5 autoclad for default label style is this horizontal 1 to 200 left hand side. Okay, yep, close, and we'll sync the vertical geometry. Okay, as far as I know, that's all we need to look at. Start and end, chainage, horizontal, not quite sure what's all happening there, but I'm just going to leave that as that. Set, apply, and there we can see it's all seems to be organized there, and that's finished. So there's our super alignment all sorted out there. Now that's probably got the horizontal, just by looking at what's written in there, that's got the horizontal sorted. So what we need to do is to sort out the vertical alignment, and we do that using the design, apply, curve return, like so. And we're going to go in here with curve return 5, F-I-V-E, like so. So the start, we'll get this out of the way. Start grade string, it's this one here, and that's the start height string as well. Picking that there. Okay, over the other side, and we can get the end grade string. It's that one there, and this one here is the end, the height string here. Okay, and the curve return is actually this one here. Okay, and let's clear the vertical geometry. Let's just go apply, curve return running, and finish. Okay, alrighty. So, oops. Here we go here. So far so good. It's all seems to be going according to plan. I'm just going to drop this down here like this, open up my section view, profile this curve return, so profile, and would you look at that, it's just awesome. So here's our curve return here. You can see at the start it's coming round like so, like so. So one would expect, I think, that any water would fall out of here like that. That's looking pretty awesome. And that's not just because I did it myself. I'm just loving this this program and the way that that's turning out. So we'll just drop that down, that back up here. So now it's just a matter of producing our things. So first things first, design MTF, create, and the MTF, I just flick in there and we'll create curb return 5, just to keep things nice and consistent. So that's KRET 5, enter. I'm so happy with this. Like so, sense of just getting this sorted. Awesome. Okay, and create. Yes, and the template, we just need the left hand side one. Let's go in there. 0, enter 999, and then we're just going the little curve to boundary. Okay, apply. Okay, save and finish. Save. Alright, so now all we need to do is apply that. Design, apply many. Just must point out that the version, this is version 10, version 11 will be slightly different and possibly be improved. So this here is KRET 5. It'll be sort of slightly different functionality, but it shouldn't be too difficult to follow it on from where we are here, and should be able to sort it out pretty readily. Ground 5, yes, point to the thing we're dealing with, accept, and there, section separation, I was just going to go for 2 there, and there's the volume report there, report file, models. I see that we've got these box strings in there. I don't know, it might be possible to run them without those miscellaneous tin, what have you. I haven't produced the road tins, that I may well go back and do that at some point. So apply, and there's all our roads, all our little strings all done, and that's it. It's all over. Back to the main, and let's just, I don't know what views does. Oh, that's just where you want to put it, I suppose. Okay, and finish. And then I'll just turn on the strings for here for road 3, strings and sections and strings. Oops. Road 3 sections. There we go. So that's pretty much it. All done. Our roading all sorted out. The next thing I want to look at is some of the earthworks to remove some low spots, and I'm still sort of gradually working on that, and I may have to come back and rework some of that what I've done, but I'm pretty pleased with the way that that's organised. Also, we need to get a design tin out of this. I would just at this point just like to look at a couple of sections here before moving on. So I'm just going to drop this down into here and open up my section view, and just click on the profile, and then these sections here, accept, so we can see what's going on. So this is it coming out of the curve. That's 36, so it's every 2 meters, 24, coming right back to 0 here. So certainly that's 0 there, and let's move on from 0, and we can see that our cul-de-sac is sort of below the existing ground, which is good. So that's going to get all the water off, hopefully off those sections. And yeah, 65, Okay, so that's great. All right, and we're going to put that up in through there like that, bring it back on track, and yes, there we have it. Our roading sections with curb returns done at the first pass level. We may have to come back and just recalculate some of those functions and just to sort out issues that we encounter as we go down, but generally pretty good. Cheers. See you.